Hey, so this is Jennifer. I'm here with the 2011 BMW 5 Series. So I'm just going to walk around any imperfections that I find. And yeah, we'll go from there. Right now I'm just going to go around it just to show you any paint issues or any dents that I notice on the vehicle itself. It just rained, so it's kind of hard to tell. So right off the bat I could tell that front portion. And okay, so this is just dirty. That's fine. But no other... Okay, there we go. We have like a scratch right here. Nothing on top. This is the back bumper, just so you could see it. And then I'll go inside and take a video of the interior and start it up just so you can tell what it looks like. But this is what the vehicle looks like so far. And then I'll go ahead and open the door, show you the inside, and we'll start it up. So right off the bat, you get that beautiful brown color. Driver's seat, passenger seat, back seat, headliner, and then we'll start it up. It is push to start. I'm going to close the door. Just so you can see, no check engine light, no pending codes. This is what the menu system looks like. You have radio, you have the AC system. Go up. It looks like it's set to Celsius. Well, we could change that. Books. And then the interior. And then I'll show you the engine and everything else. Here's a video of the engine. Here's a fan. Oh yeah. Got the trunk. There you go. So here are the buttons. This is what the screen looks like. This is what the vehicle sounds like when we take it down the road. So it looks like one of the tires needs some air. That's okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna check this.